Yo, you guys, it's Badger here, and today we're gonna have another look at a shoe. I know it's not really common on our channel, but I thought these were pretty cool and decent, so I had to show them off. And they're from Converse, a special edition from the Peanuts, and you can see already the box, it's all branded. There got the Peanuts all over, and yeah, already the box is pretty sick, if you ask me. Well, I mean, after all, I'm a Peanuts fan, and let's dive right into the shoes and see what they are about. Because, as I said, they're a special version, and as you see, we got Woodstock on them, like a bunch of them, and in different shapes of yellow. And I mean, look at that! Isn't that cute and sick at the same time? I mean, I think it is. Like all these little Woodstocks looking at you, and it gives it a really vibrant look, and also it feels really nice. Got this Converse logo on here, which is actually stitched on, it's not printed or stamped like sometimes, and yeah, it just gives it a really cool look. I also like the laces, they are a little different than the typical Converse ones to match with the color scheme. We got the peanuts also on top here, and then we got some more little sneak peeks or Easter eggs. For example, down here on the shoe, on the sole, we got the pattern from Charlie Brown going on. That goes all the way. And in the back, we have the Converse All Stars. We got a little Woodstock sitting there looking up, checking what is happening. It's so cute. For real. Can't lie about that. So, yeah, all in all, pretty decent shoe. Just like always, Converse delivers. And I'm pretty satisfied and happy with this. And in the inside, we'll also get some branding going. We got Snoopy and Charlie Brown and Woodstock checking out what's happening out there. Um, and Snoopy kind of looks kind of creepy, to be honest. I don't know what he saw, but whatever. All in all, pretty cool shoe. And yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. I will see you around. Take care, you guys. I'm Badger. I'm out, and goodbye for now.